half can produce plenty of excitement.
Went in and won the ball too.
He can't find a target in the area. Into the box. Chance here! Punched away. Cleared by the defender. Amanatidis. Sergio Garcia. And Xavi. The defender cuts this one out. Gekas. And they bring the ball forward once more, and they're certainly not giving up, but there has to be an end product quickly, or they're out of this game. The ball being stroked around well enough that the defence is holding firm for now. Maybe reduced to shooting from distance. And here's a chance! Blocked out there off the defender. With that in, this defence is really on top form today. No, not this one. Good challenge. And he's created space. It's a corner. Plays it into Pete. Good progress made down the left side here, and he belts it. Amanatidis, 15 minutes into the second half. Aristeas, and they've got him behind the fullback. Wins possession, the attack came to nothing. He has to do better than that. What will he do? This time though they've lost possession in a dangerous area. Oh, well, I thought he took the ball. Referee thought otherwise. Free kick given. Didn't hit that one well enough. Not a bad effort though.
You can't really blame him for having a go from there. He just didn't hit it as well as he would have liked.
Puyol.
Pique. Capdevia. Torresidis. And the search for the equaliser resumes. Header too! He remains untroubled.
Puyol.
Didn't get anywhere near the ball. Free kick. It's a long way out to be having a go at goal. Back pass, an integral part of any game. Sitaridis. Almost 75 minutes on the watch now. Kyriakos. Katsouranis. Sitaridis. The shooting opportunity. He cleared. Accurate passes to feet, designed to find a way through, but one goes astray. And the return ball safely delivered. Gekas. Now a chance for a cross. Here comes the cross. And they thwart them as they look for the shot. Oh, late challenge. Capdevia. Xavi. Through to the flank. Tidied up well. And Xavi. Sergio Gonzalez. Kyriakos. Some beautiful football being played out here with superb movement on and off the ball. The opposition midfield seems to have just disappeared. Can they keep defending like that?
Luque.
Katsourakis. There will be 1 more minute added on. Knocks it out to the flank. That surely has to be it. They've got the ball, and if they can keep it a few moments more, they have this game sewn up. The referee ends the game, and there's a huge roar from the crowd. A tremendous performance here, and their manager will be absolutely ecstatic as his players did exactly what was asked of them, and they've come up with a wonderful...